The BLACK+DECKER BEPW1700 Electric Pressure Washer offers impressive cleaning power with a maximum pressure of 1,700 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, making it ideal for tackling a variety of outdoor cleaning tasks. Equipped with a convenient top handle, this pressure washer is designed for easy transport, allowing you to move it effortlessly around your property. The built-in storage options for the wand, power cord, hose, and nozzles ensure that everything stays organized and within reach, simplifying your cleaning experience. To enhance cleaning efficiency, the turbo nozzle provides a significantly wider cleaning path, enabling you to cover larger areas more quickly. An included soap bottle allows you to add detergent when needed, ensuring that surfaces are left spotless and fresh. The automatic shutoff function helps in extending the motor's life by turning off the unit when the trigger is not engaged, promoting energy efficiency and longevity.